guys, how the heck are you? It's time for a little product review or first impressions of a new product to my arsenal, and that is going to be the Adams pressurized foam sprayer here. This is something that I was kind of on the fence about getting, but I figured it was worth a try. Really the goal of today's video is to use it for the first time, and the intention is to take care of the nasty door jambs in my Jeep. So this thing is in desperate need of a wash. It's been several weeks and I always have an issue getting the door jambs easily. My process is just fine, but I feel like this could be a little added fun with foaming for my door jam. So I put about 5 ounces of the Adams ultra foaming shampoo in here. You can really put anything. All-purpose cleaner would be great for door jams, but I don't really want to take away any of the protection that's currently on the vehicle. I don't want it to foam anywhere else. So for now, I'm going to play it safe just in case I can't control this thing. I filled it all the way up, the rest of it with just regular water from the hose, and just be careful because it starts to foam really well. And I did a little swirl action just to mix it up. You don't want to shake it because that's going to create more foam inside of it. The thing is going to spray out foam, so it'll be way too foamy and you won't use the product correctly. I have this nozzle attached. It's the purple vertical one. So really this thing's really simple. You just pump it a bunch of times. I'm gonna do maybe like 10. That's like fully pressurized. It's gonna be hard to pump much more in there. And then there's a button right here, and then you just squeeze it. So let's go right on the door jamb and see how this thing does. Alright, so a quick tip for you guys, definitely you want to hold it vertically. I know that might be obvious to some of you, but as soon as I started spraying the door jamb kind of on the ground, the rocker panel area, I did this, and then a lot of water comes out as opposed to foam. But if you hold it this way and get a few fresh pumps, it's gonna foam like crazy. See it? Alright guys, so overall first impressions are very good. Adams, good work with the pressurized sprayer. It definitely comes in handy when you have those special areas, whether it's around the badges or door jambs or even the gas tank or something like that. What's cool about this that I really like is that you always have foam, so you don't have to be connected to a hose. You don't have to worry about water. You don't have to worry about anything. I mean, we will be rinsing this off in just a second, but what's nice is with like the foam and the buckets that I use, obviously the soap starts to dissipate. The bubbles will dissipate if you let it sit too long. This is no big deal because you just give it a few more pumps and then you go to town. So I think this is cool. It's definitely a nice little addition to the arsenal, and I haven't really played around with the tips yet. Obviously this is the wide sprayer. The smaller ones are definitely going to be useful, probably a little bit better on these door jambs, to be honest with you guys, but I wanted to get a video out to you and let you know my thoughts on this thing. I would say it's not a vital thing, but it's one of those little tools that makes your job a little bit easier if you're doing cars frequently or whatever. And you can really use anything for this. You can use this for iron out, you can use this for wheel cleaner. I mean, on the wheels it'd be awesome. You can just spray them. Rubber cleaner, I mean, I'm sure anything that you want to use that you don't have to worry about spray all day long would be much nicer. So this is probably going to be my main use for it right now until I find another use for it. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything that I forgot about this thing, and I will see you next time.